What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to join a custom game in Battlefield 6. If you wanna find custom games, here's how to do it. First, make sure you have player created content enabled, cause you won't be able to join any custom servers without it. To check this, open your settings, go to system, then scroll down to show player created content and turn that option on. Once that's enabled, go back to the main menu, scroll down past multiplayer until you reach community. Inside this section, you will see search experiences where you can browse all the different custom experiences that are currently available. If you press R1 on PlayStation or RB on Xbox, you can switch over to the server browser. Here, you will find custom servers like Shipment 24/7, zombie style maps, Ace Pursuit, and plenty of other player made modes. You can also search by code if you are looking for a specific experience. Take some time to explore these custom games. There's a lot of fun stuff in here. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.